Do you recognize this face? Chances are most people using the internet do. But do you know who he is and how he gained his popularity? Khabane Lame, a TikTok sensation, has many TikTokers wondering what the reasons for his success are. In today's video, we're going to look at how Khabane Lame became so famous. Welcome to a Khabane Lame TikTok Masterclass. You might already know this, but for those who don't know him, Khabane Lame has the biggest following on TikTok at the moment. The Senegalese-Italian social media star currently resides in Italy. In his TikTok content, which you have most likely seen, he calmly ridicules overly complex life hack videos. Of course, Khabane was not always this famous and had to do things a bit differently in order to come out on top of TikTok like he is today. Lame started posting on TikTok after losing his job due to the COVID-19 pandemic. His TikTok duet and stitch video answers to others' content showing unnecessarily complex life hacks in which he completes the identical chore in a straightforward manner and without speaking helped him grow in popularity. His TikTok content was fairly simple, but highly entertaining. Perhaps the best selling point was him having a straight face all the while as he presented easier and more obvious solutions to the problems being solved in the most impractical ways in those other life hack videos. Lame was, for the most part, natural in the way he acted. Simple as it was, viewers sought joy and humor in his TikTok videos, which were raw and minimal. Soon after, fame started coming his way. With viewership on his videos rising day by day, he soon became popular enough to challenge some of the biggest TikTok stars out there for the top position. He passed Gianluca Wacchi in April 2021 to become the second most followed TikToker in Italy. Then in July 2021, he overtook Addison Rae to take the top position. Following this, he was obviously famous enough to become noticeable. How could he become so noticeable in less than 2 years? In fact, his following only increased, and he recently surpassed Charli D'Amelio to become the most famous TikToker, crossing 142 million followers in June of 2022. There are a lot of lessons that aspiring TikTokers can learn from Lame, but amongst everything, 3 things are most important. First and foremost, Lame was, at the core of it all, being natural. A lot of TikTokers out there today are trying a little too hard to become appealing. Some do dances that they would never otherwise see themselves doing, and some try to overdo humor in any particular situation. What happens is, a lot of people who do that give off the vibe that they are not being natural, because they aren't. As such, viewers might instantly recognize how fake their acting is. Lame has been described as everyman, which means he doesn't bother acting differently than he would in real life. In fact, his reaction perfectly depicts what any person in his position would feel about such complicated life hacks. He keeps things minimal too, which means no fancy music and no bright colors. This prevents overstimulation of the sense and really helps people to understand his TikToks easily. Moreover, people feel as if they could possibly relate. I mean, who would not want to point out the fact that they possess common sense and that the ideas shown on these life hack TikTok videos are, for the most part, unintelligent. So, the key behind Lame's TikToks is to invoke common sense in people, and to get that to naturally make his obvious, unsaid remarks about those maybe not so smart life hack videos seem humorous. Ask yourself this: when you see Lame's videos, what do you love most about them? For most people, it is his expression. And what does that expression depict? Annoyance. How does it depict annoyance? Through its raw nature and genuineness. I mean, this is the sort of immediate first reaction you could expect from your friends and family if you were to say or do something similar to these life hack videos. For Lame, he just does the same on camera. So again, the point to be made here is be natural in your expression and in the scenario. The second most important thing that Lame has going on for himself is that he did something unique. Remember, if someone else has already done something, no matter how much more you refine it, you would already be working on someone else's idea. What Lame did was fairly original. No one else had done TikToks the same way. Although his idea was, as already explained, simple, it was also not done before. As such, it is very important for TikTokers to come up with original content. You might have something very funny, very attractive, or very entertaining, but if it has been done before, people will always think you're part of the masses. So, if you want to truly stand out, you have to do something that stands out. Is everyone climbing high mountain peaks and making TikToks at the highest elevations on Earth? Not exactly. Would that help you stand out? Ideally, yes. Of course, the pre-existing condition for it to be natural is also there, but I'm hoping that you get the idea. Nonetheless, whatever you do, big or small, has to be unique. It must be something that is immediately associated with you. When people think about it, your face should come to mind. By bringing something to the table that is unique, you'll be able to break out of the sea of people that make TikToks. Luckily for Lame, his unique idea was something so many do every single day, but never really capture it. Lastly, you need to know that a good TikTok is something that grows organically. One of the best things about Lame's work is that he never tried to sell it. A lot of TikTokers would have had their content sponsored on different pages and accounts. However, Lame did not do that. In fact, he really kept things organic. People liked what they saw and shared it with their friends. That's what made it so good. He made shareable content and people did not feel forced to look at his content, and often when people are shown sponsored content, the chances that they might genuinely like it are very low. Lame did what he wanted and he did it with passion. The man always had a knack for making people laugh. However, his big breakthrough came not via an active effort of him trying to make it big, but rather through him simply doing what he loved.
Hi, my name is Khaby. I love you and I love you to make people smile.
For Lame, people genuinely love him and his content, and a lot of his following grew organically as a result. So, what do you think about Lame's secrets to success? Let me know down in the comments, and also be sure to like this video and turn on notifications for more helpful information like this. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my content, and I will catch you on the next video. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.